Yes, people, welcome to a new video, and we compare two affiliate programs together, and I hope you can make a choice for the best affiliate program of your needs. And we compare today ClickBank and Amazon affiliate program, Amazon Associates. They are both popular affiliate marketing platforms, but they have significant differences in terms of the products they offer, commissions, structures, and target audiences. So let's compare them. Well, first, product selection. And product selection, we compare ClickBank and Amazon together. And in product selection, ClickBank primarily focuses on digital products. It offers a wide range of digital goods, including ebooks, online courses, software, and subscription services. These products are often created and marketed by individual vendors or small businesses. On the other hand, Amazon affiliates allows affiliates to promote and earn commission on a vast array of physical and digital products available on Amazon.com. This includes physical goods like electronics, books, clothing, and well as digital products like Kindle ebooks and Amazon Prime subscriptions. The commission structure. Well, ClickBank typically offers higher commission rates compared to Amazon affiliate program. Commissions can range from 50 to 75 or even higher for some digital products. However, the actual commission rates varies depending on the vendor and product, of course. Well, Amazon affiliate program, Amazon commission rates are generally lower, ranging from 1% to 10% depending on the product category. While the rates are lower, Amazon's extensive product selection and higher conversion rates can still result in decent earnings. Well, the target audience. ClickBank is suitable for affiliates looking to promote digital products, especially in niches like health, fitness, self-help, and online marketing. It's also a platform for vendors to sell their digital products and attract affiliates, of course. Amazon affiliate program. Well, Amazon Associates is more versatile and appeals to a broader range of affiliates due to Amazon's extensive product catalog. Affiliates can choose products that align with their niche or audience, making it suitable for various content types, including product review, blogs, and recommendation lists. Well, important is the payment structure. ClickBank typically pays affiliates through direct bank deposit or checks, depending on the affiliate's location and preferences. Payment frequency may vary but is often on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. Well, Amazon pays affiliates through various methods including direct deposit, gift cards or checks. Depending on the affiliate's location, payment frequency varies by location and can be monthly or after reaching a minimum threshold. Tracking and reporting. ClickBank provides detailed tracking and reporting tools, allowing affiliates to monitoring sales, clicks, and commission in real time. This helps affiliates optimizing their marketing efforts. Amazon reporting tools provide information on clicks, orders, conversion rates, and earnings. While not as robust as ClickBank's reporting, it still offers valuable insights. Well, what's the conclusion of those two? The choice between ClickBank and Amazon affiliate program depends on your niche audience and content strategy. ClickBank is ideal for those focusing on digital products and niches where higher commission rates are prevalent. Amazon Associates offers a broader product selection, making it versatile for affiliates converting on a wide range of niches, and is especially suitable for affiliates in product review and recommendation spaces. Consider your target audience and the types of products you want to promote when deciding which affiliate program aligns the best with your goals. Yes, so guys, hope you can make your choice on this review. and we hope to see you soon. Like, subscribe this channel, and see you in the next one. Wish you a very pleasant day. Thank you. Bye bye.